Hi, if you're a Canon EOS camera owner, the next few minutes may be something you've been looking for. We'll give you insights into getting more from the autofocus in your Canon EOS camera. Aiming your camera at a subject and pressing the shutter button to focus is just the start. Taking control of your camera's AF system can pay big dividends, especially when you want to go beyond snap shooting. One way is to tell the camera ahead of time whether to expect the subject to move or to lock focus on something stationary. This gives your autofocus system positive control for whatever you're trying to capture. You can do this anytime you're in a creative zone shooting mode, P, TV, AV, or M. Press your camera's Info button until the Q button icon appears. Tap it and choose the AF operation from the left side column. One Shot AF forces the camera to lock focus as long as you keep your finger half pressed on the shutter button. Great for careful compositions or reframing a subject. Servo AF is for continuous action. Setting this makes the AF system expect movement, whether it's slow and steady or fast and erratic. Setting it here will enhance the AF performance. And AI focus is a combination of the two, automatically setting One Shot AF or Servo AF depending on what it detects. Just remember, there can be a slight delay as it reads the subject in each shot you take. You can now take control over the size of the area that's read by your AF system. We'll show you how in the next few moments. Again, just be sure you're set to the P, TV, AV, or M shooting modes. A small, narrow area or focusing point can be very helpful when you're trying to focus on one specific subject or part of a subject. And broader areas let your AF system account for things like moving subjects, where it can be difficult to keep one small focus point on it. AF area is the control used for this. Once you're in a creative zone shooting mode, tap the Q icon and then the AF area icon on the upper left. A series of choices will appear. Spot AF and One Point AF let you focus on just one small area of a scene. You can manually move that one AF point to focus on things off-center. 2 expanded AF area options now let the camera look beyond the central AF point if there's insufficient detail there to focus upon. 3 options for flexible zone AF start off with a wider area, but you can change its size and shape right in the viewfinder. When you don't know if and where a subject might move, Zone AF can be a real asset. And Whole Area AF uses virtually the entire picture area, with most lenses, to focus within. This is ideal for focus tracking, where the camera can follow the subject around the frame. Choosing an AF area lets you be in charge of what your camera will autofocus upon and is a great next step toward getting the max out of your AF system. Here's a great way to enhance your AF system's performance when focusing on moving subjects using Servo AF. It's Whole Area AF tracking, and it opens the door to following moving subjects around the frame, even if they're fast moving. Like many Canon EOS AF settings, you need to switch over to the P, TV, AV, or M shooting modes to be able to turn Whole Area AF tracking on or off. From there, tracking is turned on or off in the magenta-colored AF menu area. Whole area means the camera can keep subjects in focus even if they move around the whole picture area. And AF tracking clearly tells the AF system to change where in the scene it's focusing to maintain sharp focus as a subject moves and composition changes. It's a real asset, not only for sports and wildlife, but even for candid shooting at events where subjects may move unexpectedly. And whole area AF tracking can be turned off if you're concerned about AF moving to other nearby subjects when your primary subject isn't isolated. You can even customize a button to instantly activate or deactivate AF tracking without having to go into the menu. Autofocus works fine when you let it make all the decisions. But when you take the next step and begin to take control of it, your images will take a big step forward as well. Thanks for joining us.